Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Adobe Photoshop not responding on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First method, you just need to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager. Search Adobe. If Adobe is running, then just right click and select End Task. Same thing for background. If it is running, End Task it. After that, just close stuff here and open up the Photoshop and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to press Windows key and R key together, type percentage temp percentage, click on OK. Now you just need to select all the files and delete it. Just right click and select delete and select continue and do this for all current item and select escape. After doing it, just close tab here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to disable GPU acceleration. To do this, open up Photoshop. You just need to select the edit tab and select preferences. On right side select performance and you just need to uncheck this use graphics processor. Uncheck it and click on OK and restart the Photoshop and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to update your graphics driver. To do this, check my video description for this download link. For Nvidia users, download the Nvidia app. For AMD users, install the AMD Radeon software. For Intel users, install the Intel Driver Support Assistant. After getting installed and open the software we downloaded and go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card driver up to date. After doing it, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to reset preferences. To do this, hold Ctrl Alt plus Shift key in our keyboard while opening the Photoshop and press. You will get this pop-up. Select yes and this will reset the preferences. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 6, you just need to search Photoshop, right click on it and select open file location. Again right click on it and select open file location. Right click on the Photoshop application file and right select properties. Select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for changes. Now you can launch the Photoshop without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.